Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the Boo Ghost from Mario. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the shape of the ghost. So I want to start right here, and I want to make a nice line, or I'll start over here, and I'll draw a nice line that's going to curve up and down. So we'll start right here, and I'll make a line that's going to curve up, and it's going to come down to about here. Next, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve it down. It's going to come up here and down again. And then I'm just going to take this line, go down, and we'll connect it to here. Now, right here we want to make the arms. So we're going to draw a little line that goes out, and it's going to come back. And right here we'll draw another line that goes up. It's going to round off and then come down to here. Starting right here, we're going to make the mouth. We're going to make a nice big smiley face. Then we're going to bring it down. It's going to curve around and then come up to here. Now for the teeth, we're going to go down and up. I'll make two smaller ones right here, kind of like some V's that go down and up. And then one more big one that goes down and up here. Then starting right here, we'll add a little curved line. And finally, we want to make the eyes. So to draw the eyes, we're going to start right here, make a line that goes down and up like this, kind of like a smiley face. Make another one here that goes down and up. Make this one a little longer. Then for the eyes, you want to draw a nice little oval shape that goes down and up. One right here that does the same thing. And I'm going to add another small oval inside each one, and then I'm just going to color the outside. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Boo Ghost from Mario. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.